7 Habits of Exceptionally Rich People. In this video, I am going to speak of a few of the day-to-day habits of the successful and wealthy. Hopefully, you're able to apply them to your very own business life and grow closer to your magic number. Number 1. Rise early in the morning.
Take 100 millionaires from across the world and I'll bet you not one of them sleeps in. The majority of these individuals are up at 6 o'clock or 7 a.m. slaving away while the rest of us are still eating pancakes. If you want to have both the time and the energy to fit everything in which has to be accomplished in a wealthy individual's day, you should begin to rise earlier. Get moving as early as possible.
Number 2. Exercise on a daily basis. Many millionaires are extremely busy from the time the sun rises to well after the sun sets, juggling new projects, daily affairs, and a variety of commitments. Yet they always find time in the day to exercise. Number 3. Do not entertain self-doubt. The wealthy hate risk as much as the average guy, yet they deal with it. It is important that you take risks, calculated ones. It's like bravery. It's said to be the mastery of fear, not the absence of it. It isn't that wealthy people do not possess self-doubt. Number 4. Exploit what works for you. The online marketing realm is a confusing space. It is possible to work on creating a community, begin a black hat operation, sell a blog, or begin a popular fashion blog. The options and choices are countless. And inside all of these endless options, there's a lot of space to become lost and become distracted from what's working. Therefore, if you discover something that you're obviously good at and something that is making money, you ought to attempt to exploit this avenue for as long as possible. Do not waste time searching for something new, as you have something that already works. Number 5. Take 1 hour for lunch. Many of the wealthy people I know will stop for a minimum of 1 hour for lunch. It isn't that they desire a break to eat elegantly or to goof around. It is because they know it is crucial for efficiency. If you frequently strain your eyes, they'll become sore and you'll get a headache. The same holds true for your level of concentration. You must relax. You have to move your legs around, get your blood flowing, and receive a bit of sunshine. It'll open up your mind and rejuvenate your spirit. Number 6. Know when to stop working. Oftentimes, as a self-employed business owner, I'll fall into that habitual trap of working long into the evening, thinking that I'll get more work accomplished. Do not do it. Stop working at 5 o'clock or 6 p.m. and do not do anything work-related, which includes checking your phone or emails, until the next day. It's a key point most overlook. Your education isn't complete when you finish college. It isn't finished when you get your first $100,000 per year job. You must frequently study new ideas and methods. Number 7. Make time every day to study. It's a key point most overlook. Your education isn't complete when you finish college. It isn't finished when you get your first $100,000 per year job. You must frequently study new ideas and methods. However, the most important thing includes studying people's failures. History doesn't have to repeat itself with your product launch or bank account. Figure out where other people went wrong so that you can avoid making the same mistakes. If you take away anything from this article, one hope it's this. I hope you'll work for the benefit of other people or else turn off your computer and go spend time with your chill.